Welcome back to Gina's Creative Cooking. In this video, we're going to make a quick, easy recipe using canned sardines. I'm using two different kinds of sardines, one in tomato sauce and one in oil. And these two are delicious. I mean, the mix is just mouth-watering. And all I'm using is just onion. Onions are very good with sardines. So I'm using three different kinds, the shallot, the white onion, and the scallions. See there? First I'm going to brown it a little bit with a bit of oil. And then I'll be adding some sardines, which as you can see, very quick meal. Yes, all canned food here. This is a very quick recipe. You are definitely gonna enjoy it because it doesn't take long at all to cook. A total of 10 minutes of cutting and doing everything else. You know, with the sardines, you gotta take a bit of bones out. Or you can leave them in, it's up to you. This meal is so delicious, and you can pair it with some rice. You can put it on the bread to make a sandwich with it. You can put it on potatoes. Yeah, basically, instead of eating meat or cooking something longer, believe me, you are going to enjoy it. This is a quick to go dish when you are lazy, when you don't want to cook, when you don't want to stand long in the kitchen. At the end, are still gonna have a full belly. Yeah, that's right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share.